And if you just looked at the temperature map right now, this doesn't look bad. Looks like pretty pleasant conditions, upper 60s, low 70s, but then you throw in the humidity, dew points upper 60s, even some low 70s still out there in Lapeer and Sandusky, and that is at the high end of muggy. Of course, 65 to 70, that's what we consider muggy. 75 or 70 plus, I should say, is tropical, and we hit that in a couple spots today. Here's what the heat index looks like tomorrow. This is how it's going to feel in the afternoon, and there are going to be a lot of 90s out there, including the metro zone. Detroit, probably one of those spots at 90 degrees. South zone, a lot of upper 80s for feels like numbers tomorrow. And a lot of this really has to do with the timing of those thunderstorms too. It could put a dent in those numbers. But assuming we get to the maximum temperature and heat index tomorrow, it's upper 80s out there in the west zone, and north zone not much different unless you're going to be down towards the lake where things will be just a little bit cooler. High temperatures will cool a bit on Thursday, still mid 80s Friday and Saturday, and those heat index readings still running above the temperatures as the humidity is with us until we get into the weekend. You can see that green stuff hanging out over the Great Lakes, and then finally a cold front comes through, scours out the air, and we go to a dew point of 56 on Sunday, which is barely noticeable compared to where we're at. But we've got more days of these afternoon and evening thunderstorms that fade overnight and then come back as we get into the second half of the day. That front will dip south Friday morning, so we may get a temporary break in the humidity. Comes back Friday afternoon, and then our last go-round with those thunderstorms is going to be Saturday. So when the humidity goes away, so do those afternoon storm chances on Sunday. 70 degrees tonight, high temperatures tomorrow 86, but feeling closer to 90, as you saw in the 4-zone forecast. And then there's the 7-day outlook. We finally clear things out on Sunday. Guys, temperatures may go down a little bit Monday and Tuesday, but the big difference is going to be that lower humidity and the lack of those afternoon storms. So a lot of us will be at work, but conditions will be a lot better.